This is the face of Venezuela's pediatric healthcare crisis. Zabdiel is 5 years old, and he's battling both acute lymphoblastic leukemia and the economic chaos the country is facing. Earlier this year, Zabdiel was one of about 30 Venezuelan children waiting to receive bone marrow transplants in Italy. His mother, Annie Camacho, was hopeful. This expensive protocol, paying for hundreds of children to receive treatment in Italy, had traditionally been covered by Venezuela's oil reserves. But now, the agreement is on hold, as well as Zabdiel's treatment.
No tenemos ninguna opción.
Aid workers and doctors told NBC News the boy's struggle for medical care was emblematic of a broader crisis that will impact a generation of Venezuelans. Janeth Marquez, the director of the Catholic aid organization Caritas in Caracas, works with families facing malnutrition and those unable to get medical treatment.
Primero, un tema de alimentación. La gente necesita alimentarse. Segundo, un tema de salud. Salud de intervención y salud de medicamento.
The government's own data from 2016 shows that maternal mortality shot up by 65% compared to 2015. Infant mortality rose by 30% to more than 11,000 babies under the age of 1 dying in a single year.
Lamentablemente tenemos que ir viendo cómo la crisis se está llevando a niños.
Venezuela's public hospitals are lacking basic medicines and surgical supplies, and facing overcrowded and unhygienic conditions.
My concern is that the situation is getting worse every day.
Physician Julio Castro says the entire country is impacted, including the children who need bone marrow transplants, like Zabdiel. 11-year-old Eric Altuve is one of 4 patients at the Children's Hospital who died in May while waiting for a transplant. His death and the loss of the other children sparking outrage and anguish. The government of Nicolás Maduro blames U.S. sanctions for the lapse in bone marrow treatment, saying funds earmarked for the transplants have been frozen. But experts say sanctions and economic mismanagement are to blame.
Con muchos sueños, muchas ilusiones que tenemos en nuestro hijo. Me dio temor.
Zabdiel's mother feels that politics is putting her son's life at stake, and she fears that there is neither a cure nor an end in sight.
Hemos sufrido, pero ellos más. Ellos son los que más se ven afectados de esta situación. Mi hijo no conoce nada de eso, pero tiene una lucha y una guerra.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.